youth. Great Nigerian youth. Listen now, listen. You are here because you want a better Nigeria, is it not? But like I said yesterday, I am one of you. I feel your pain. And in our own government here, we are doing everything to make life easy for our people. But you see, this particular protest that we are doing now, our only worry that we know that a lot of people are planning to take advantage of this protest to destroy our state. But we will not allow it. So, like I said before, I want to thank you for being peaceful. I've already know your problems. We will communicate your problems to the federal government. Like I said, it is not easy. It is not easy. But we know quite all right that very soon everything will be well. Starting from our own state. Starting from our own state, everything will be well. What we just need is to support the government. Support the government. Support the policy. In the beginning of the policy, it might be harsh, but at the end, everything will be fine. We are going to make sure that we make life easy for you. Our youth. Our youth. I know that you're hungry. I know that you're hungry. Okay. I agree with you, there is hunger. We agree. But because we preach good governance, hunger will disappear very soon. Please, like I said, we are going to support you. I am not against your protest, but we will not support any violent process. We will not support anything that will destroy our state. We will not join force with the enemy of progress. I will support you. I will support you. Before you leave here, I will give you small thing, at least to take buy pure water and bread. Aluta continue, but peacefully, peacefully.
Maybe some elements who has taken it upon themselves to make governance difficult in our state, penetrating through this means to create additional problem. But if it has to do with the protesters, I don't have any fear. Their demands are germane, I understand. Hardship, bad governance. But like I always tell them, we must start from somewhere. Initial policies might not be friendly, but that is always at the end of it. If we are patient, tolerant, when I say patient and we are tolerant, there's no way the policies will not yield a positive progress and development for our state. I understand their feelings. Cost of living, cost of every aspect of it. Is it food? Is it cost to rent? Is it medical bills? We understand what is happening. But we were coming from somewhere very bad. And the government, right from the head, from the central, is trying to make sure that some of these things are properly addressed. You can't address them in one day. You can even see what's the exchange rates today. When the government came in, what was the exchange rate? It was below 300. But today we're doing 1,600. It's even a challenge to the government. So we are appealing as a government that everybody should be patient. I believe that with a little time, allowing these policies to materialize, things will be normalized. That is my feeling. I'm not scared. These ones are genuine protesters. There's no way anybody will hijack them. But we know those ones that have been masterminded or sponsored by some elements who believe they don't want this state to be peaceful. But we're working on that, and we are trying everything with the security agencies. We had the security meeting yesterday, and we assured everybody that, look, we'll put everything under control. So I'm not scared.
Please.
They propose a 10 days protest, is it not? We're just seeing how it works out today. The outcome of today will determine what happens tomorrow. So I don't have any fear. Whatever comes,